dedicated a hop and a skip from the main venues of the International Monetary Fund and World Bank annual meetings in Nusa Dua, Bali. The Indonesia Pavilion offers participants a glimpse into the archipelago and its nationwide economic potential right under one roof. From arts and crafts to strategic investment potential in various fields, including infrastructure, all is being presented in colourful and eye-catching displays across the pavilion's grounds, which span 2,000 metres. The pavilion coincides with the running of the meetings, which will end on Sunday, enabling participants to see firsthand of the making of Indonesia's unique traditional arts and crafts, such as traditional Batak textile of ulos, the hand-woven fabric of tenun, and wood carvings, as well as enjoy performances and learn of the country's many exotic tourist destinations. In particular, the government is heavily investing in developing 10 new destinations, dubbed the 10 New Balis, in a nod to Indonesia's world-famous island destination. Delegates from the IMF and World Bank's 189 member countries can also try their hand at batik, a wax-resistant dyeing technique, as well as make handheld fans. More than just a hub where local arts and culture are showcased, the pavilion also offers a look into Indonesia's potentials in strategic investment projects and infrastructure development, where the country is focusing on, among other areas, connectivity, including in highways, toll roads, airports, seaports, and telecommunications. In addition to the exhibitions, visitors can also find the BUMN Hall, VIP area, investment lounge, and a mini theatre inside for a quick view of Indonesia's economic development. During the official opening on Tuesday, state-owned Enterprises Minister Rini Soemarno said the pavilion presented Indonesia's achievements in the fields of economics, industry, infrastructure, and arts and crafts. She added that the pavilion also aimed to invite investors to be part of Indonesia's future development journey. I'm Lisa Josephine for the Jakarta Post, reporting from Nusa Dua, Bali.